this video, we're going to take a closer look at the 2025 Gyro Canopy 125. It's an electric bike that's been making waves with its futuristic design, powerful features, and impressive performance. In this video, we'll not only be giving you a full walkthrough of this sleek bike, but we're also going to take it for a spin to show you how it performs in real-world conditions. First off, let's talk about the design. The Gyro Canopy 125 is a striking example of what happens when innovation meets practicality. It comes with a streamlined, modern look that sets it apart from traditional motorcycles and scooters. The bike is designed to give a sense of freedom with its open, minimalist framework while still providing coverage with its canopy. That canopy isn't just for looks either, it's designed to shield you from the elements, making it ideal for year-round use, whether it's rain or shine. The 125cc engine is no slouch either. It's an electric engine, which means you're not only getting a quieter, smoother ride, but you're also contributing to a greener planet by reducing emissions. Despite being eco-friendly, the Gyro Canopy doesn't sacrifice on power. It has a solid acceleration curve that's great for city commuting and even longer rides. You'll be able to reach a comfortable cruising speed in no time, making it perfect for navigating through traffic or taking scenic routes. Plus, it's incredibly efficient, so you won't have to worry about constantly charging it. With a full charge, you can go for quite a while before needing to recharge. When it comes to features, this bike has it all. You'll find smart integration with your devices, including a digital display that's easy to read, Bluetooth capabilities for hands-free phone calls and music, and even GPS for navigation. The built-in safety features are a huge plus as well. You've got anti-lock brakes, a sturdy chassis, and bright LED lights to ensure you're seen on the road. All of these details make the Gyro Canopy 125 not just a cool-looking bike, but also a highly functional one. Now it's time to take it for a ride. From the moment you hop on, you can tell this bike is built for comfort. The seat is cushioned and the controls are easy to reach, making the ride feel natural and intuitive. The smoothness of the electric engine kicks in right away. You'll notice how quiet it is compared to traditional gas-powered bikes. As you weave through the streets, the handling is responsive and you feel like you're gliding. It's perfect for tight corners and quick stops, and the suspension does an excellent job of absorbing bumps in the road. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride on a country road, so if you're looking for something that's eco-friendly, packed with features and incredibly fun to ride, the 2025 Gyro Canopy 125 should definitely be on your radar. It's not just a bike, it's a statement on the future of transportation. Make sure to subscribe to Bike Entertainment for more reviews, test rides, and all things on two wheels. If you like this video, hit that like button and let us know in the comments what you think of the Gyro Canopy 125. Would you take it for a ride? Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way.